Ready to dive into the world of progressive house and craft your own euphoric anthem using Ableton Live? First, let's build a solid foundation with drums. Drag and drop a punchy kick sample into a drum rack aimed for a clean, powerful sound, typical of progressive house. Next, add some rhythmic texture with hi-hats. Create a new MIDI track and draw in a consistent 16th note pattern. Experiment with velocity to add some groove and human feel. Now, let's create a driving bass line using operator. Initialize the patch, select a saw wave, and tune it down an octave or two. Then, use a simple MIDI pattern, maybe a root note and a fifth, to create a rhythmic foundation. Clean up the low end of your bass line with EQ8. Apply a high-pass filter around 3040 Hz to remove any unwanted rumble and ensure clarity. It's time for the melody. Use a soft, evolving synth sound, maybe a pad or a pluck, and create a catchy, uplifting melody in the piano roll. Think about using major scales and chord progressions for that classic progressive house feel. Now, let's mix everything together. Focus on balancing the levels of each element, using EQ to carve out space in the frequency spectrum, and compression to add punch and glue. Finally, let's arrange your track. A typical progressive house structure includes an intro, a build-up, a powerful drop, a breakdown, and an outro. Use automation to create tension and release throughout the song, and that's how to make a progressive house track. Now go create something.